Out of my mind, but I'm still here.
Woke up with a war in my head again. Thoughts like chains, can't tell foe from friend. Same loop, same fear, different day, but I ain't built to think this way. Negativity's got a voice real slick, says I'm not enough, plays dirty tricks, but I see through it. I feel the glitch, time to flip the script, throw the switch. They want you numb, they want you blind, plugged in deep to the fear inside. But I ain't a slave to a voice that lies. I'm breaking out with open eyes. I'm not my mind, I'm not that fear. I'm the one who watches loud and clear. Leave the matrix with my soul, keep the body I control. I choose light, I breathe and fight over my thoughts. I claim my right, this is freedom, this is me. Mine's my servant, now I'm free. Used to live where the shadows crawl, now I rise even when I fall. No more scrolling for fake relief, my power's real, it's underneath. Your doubt's not yours, it's been fed and grown by systems. Scared you'll stand alone, but you're not alone. You're wide awake and that's the first step minds don't take. No pill, no chain, no man, no trap. Gonna take my soul and bring it back. No more fighting what I feel. I'm the truth, I'm what's real. I'm not my mind, I'm not that fear. I'm the one who watches loud and clear. Leave the matrix with my soul, keep the body I control. I choose light, I breathe and fight over my thoughts. I claim my right, this is freedom, this is me. Mine's my servant now. You are not your anger, you are not your fear. You are not your broken, you the one who sees it clear. I'm not my mind, I'm not that fear. I'm the soul that drives the gear. Leave the matrix with my flames still